everyone! This is Sarah here. Welcome back to another English class. Today we will be learning about how to ask and answer what sport do you like. So please look, listen, and repeat after Timmy the Tiger and his friends. Let's get started.
What sport do you like?
I like soccer.
What sport do you like?
I like baseball.
What sport do you like? I like tennis. What sport do you like?
I like golf.
What sport do you like? I like basketball. What sport do you like? I like dodgeball. What sport do you like? Ruff, ruff, I like running. What sport do you like? I don't like sports. What sport do you like? I like skiing. What sport do you like? I like gymnastics. What sport do you like?
I like sumo.
What sport do you like?
I like badminton.
What sport do you like?
I like swimming.
What sport do you like?
I like dancing.
What sport do you like?
Moo! I like the rodeo.
Great job, everyone. See you next time.